Hello everyone. In this video, we are discuss deed of trust. The idea of allowing someone else to possess something what is yours is known as a trust to the average individuals. However, there are additional means by which a settler transfer their assets to the other party for holding or use by a third party. A trust is an obligation attached to the ownership of property and arising out of a confidence response in and accepted by owner or declared and accepted by him for the benefit of another or of other and the owners. Author of a trust, trustee, beneficiary, trust property, beneficiary interest, in instrument of trust. According to Section 3 of the Indian Trust Act, it is well known that trusts are frequently connected to wealthy people who intend to leave their assets to their heirs or donate them to a charity organization. You will likely have to give up some control over your assets distribution if you wish to create trust. There are such kind of trust for a closed group, a trust for a closed group. In other words, it is possible to identify the recipients. For instance, trust is established for the author's friends and family. Public trust, the public at large is a target audience for public trust. For insurance, charitable institutions are run by non-profit organization. The relationship between the trustee, the settler, and the beneficiary is mandatory after a trust has been established, whether private or public. A trust deed is thus drawn into which functions similarly to an agreement to codify the connections between the parties and ensure that the obligation and rights are not adversely affected. A trust deed is challenging to draft as well. It becomes challenging to carry out or go forward if the text goal is unclear. In contrast to a trust deed, a will is reportedly easier to draft. What is the important clause of trust deed? Cessation, termination of trusteeship. The circumstances under which the trusteeship between the chosen trustees and the trust will expire are specified in the clause. This is useful in the event that any trust members attempt to use the trust as means of tax evasion of or money laundering. Rule and Regulation Amendment. This section will outline who has the authority to alter the trust rules and regulation as well as the process for doing so. Account and audit. Keeping accurate books of accounts and having them audited as needed is crucial for a trust to operate without interference from government organization. Power of trustees. Trustees are not permitted to exercise any authority granted by the trustee deed that is not expressly granted in this section. They are frequently delegated to the trustees. Their power are frequently delegated to the trustees for the general management and administration of the trust. Appointment and requirement, recruitment, bringing legal action on the trust behalf, accepting gifts and donation, putting cash into the trust, opening bank and other account for the trust's financial and operational needs. Winding up. If the corporation is closed down, the trustee assets are not given to the trustees. This all be transferred to another comparable trust or organization whose objective are the same as those of those trust with the approval of the charity commissioner code or any other law that may be pertinent at the time. That's for it. Thank you.